Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Kayla and here we love to talk about all things luxury and high-end makeup and beauty. So today, oh my God, June is pretty much over and it just blows my mind. So today we are going to be talking about my June favorites. So if that's something that you're interested in seeing, then just keep watching. Okay, so first is not a new product, but I don't think that I've mentioned these on my channel before, but I don't think that I mentioned quite how much I use these and love these, but this is the Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerize. Here I have it in the shade Jean, and I mean, you can see the dent that I've made in this. This is pretty much for every day. I take a little bit of this, literally put it all over my eyelid as kind of like a primer, and then pop any kind of powder or cream or whatever shade that I'm feeling that day on top of it. Use a little brush to blend them together and bam, I'm done. I know that everybody's seen these, but it's just this perfect like champagne-y kind of shade that almost matches my skin. And these are so creamy, and literally, I mean, if it's not this shade, it's the rose gold shade or the oyster pearl shade. And I just take it and put it all over my eye every day, and it's quick, it's easy, and it just makes for such a beautiful look. And like I said, you can layer anything on top of it, which I really, really love. So this is an all-time favorite, but like really, really so this month I've been reaching for this. So next is not a makeup product, but I have discovered a new lotion that I am absolutely obsessed with, and it is this Beauty Pie Super Healthy Skin Deluxe Body Moisture Cream. Okay, first, this thing is massive, okay, and if you have a Beauty Pie membership, it's so cheap. It says that it has softening hibiscus flower oil droplets and nourishing shea butter, and it has the most intoxicating scent without being too strong. It's thick, but it's not so thick. It almost gives this like cooling sensation whenever you put it on your skin. And it's one of those lotions, it doesn't leave any kind of residue. It absorbs into my skin almost immediately, and it just leaves this soft scent, and it leaves my skin feeling hydrated and nourished. And I have just really, really been loving this, and I have found a new love from them, which is this lotion. It's beautiful, I love it, and I will definitely be repurchasing this whenever I run out. So next, y'all, oh my gosh, this product has very, very quickly made its way into my heart, and it's what I'm wearing on my face today, and it is this Chantecaille Anti-Aging Face Tint. I love using this as a bronzer. I know that it's an all-over face tint, but if you're as pale as I am, this is a beautiful bronzer. It blends into every foundation that I've used it with. Today, I actually have it right here. I'm wearing this Sisley Phyto Hydra Taint, but every foundation I've used this with, it looks beautiful. It gives you just this beautiful bronze without being heavy. Again, I know this is kind of like a theme, but it feels cooling when you put it on your skin. And if you're as pale as I am, you barely have to use any, y'all, okay? I mean, like the tiniest little drop. I did a review of this a couple of weeks ago, so I will link that down below. But in the review, I said that I was still just using what was on the lid, and I'm still just using what was on the lid. So it's expensive, but a little bit is gonna go a long way if you're fair-skinned like myself. I think that if you have a deeper skin tone, that this would just be beautiful just all over your face, because it is fairly sheer. Now, like very, very deep skin tones, I don't know, because I don't know that it would absorb into the skin, because it does still have that tint to it, so it may be too light. But for fair skin tones as a bronzer, for tan, medium skin tones as like just an all over tint, It's beautiful. It's got amazing Chantecaille skincare goodness in it, and oh my gosh, I've been obsessed with this, y'all. It's beautiful. So while we're on the Chantecaille train, another product that I have been loving this month is their Sunbeam Cheek and Eye Shade. This was part of their summer collection, and it is just this beautiful, stunning, bronzy, goldy, rose goldy gel powder formula, and I have been love putting it on my eyes, my cheeks. I just love that it is a multi-purpose product. I love the packaging. I know a lot of people were complaining about it, but I think that it is so fun and so vibrant and cute, and I love it. So again, I'm sure y'all have all seen this already, but here is a swatch of it in case you haven't. See what I mean? It's just like the perfect combination of bronze, gold, and rose gold on my skin. And this is one specifically that I love putting over this Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerize in Jean for just a beautiful summery look, and then popping it on my cheeks. It's beautiful. I mean, I know I sound like a broken record, but I mean, Chantecaille is expensive, okay? But I think that this is worth every penny. I wasn't sure how I was gonna like it on my cheeks, but it's beautiful. It gives you almost this glass skin effect, and I just really love it. And if I can get it on sale, I will probably buy a backup. So last but certainly not least, I have a lipstick favorite. It's what I'm wearing on my lips today. It is this Gen C Pick Me Up matte lipstick in the shade Margaret. I had been wanting to try this brand, y'all. I think that it looks so fun, and I have heard such good things about it, and I actually won their giveaway. So I got this, their 3 liquid eyeshadows, and their mascara, and honestly, they're all favorites. So I don't know why I didn't bring those in here, but we're gonna put that in here too. So their 3 liquid eyeshadows and their mascara are just amazing. But I guess the standout really is this lipstick. It's matte, but it's not too matte, as you can see on my lips, and it is just the prettiest shade. So one of my most perfect lipsticks is the Lisa Eldridge Kitten Mischief lipstick. It's like a My Lips But Better, but not too dark, not too peachy, not too pinky, not too brown. This one is like a step up from that. If you want something that's a little bit deeper and a little bit more stand out, it's like My Lips But Better, but with a kick, if that makes sense. Whereas Lisa Eldridge Kitten Mischief is just My Lips But Better, which, like I said, is amazing. But this one just adds that extra little punch, and it again is the perfect combination of brown, nude, pink, and peach, and the formula is so comfortable on my lips. It's not drying, it's super hydrating, it's long lasting, and I will definitely be picking up more shades of this lipstick from this brand, Gen C. So like I said, I didn't have too many this month, too many favorites, but they were all really, really good ones in my book. So let me know in the comment section down below if you have tried any of these products, if you love any of these products. Also, let me know what were some of your favorites from this month. And also, if you want to see how I created this look, I did a reel over on my Instagram, which I posted on Sunday, so I will link that down below. And as always, if you like this video, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you like my content, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of our little fam here on YouTube. And if you're not following me over on Instagram, it's at beautybykaylak. I'd love to see you over there too. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.